Alright folks, we got some parts for the Ford truck in. Got the transmission. Like I said, these are just kind of core parts, but the engine he was going to give me when he pulled the intake off, it was no good. So he gave me 30 overboard block. It was just fresh board not too long ago. I don't feel no ridge. There's a mark, but no ridge. So we'll go through, we'll measure this block. But we need a crankshaft. Hopefully we get a good crankshaft out of this motor. Yeah, he pulled the intake off. And this is what it looks like. So I do need the timing cover and the balancer, and it did come with some motor mounts, so, and I do like these, the little lock C-clips here. I don't know how good they work, but that's a good idea. All right, well, me and Izzy's gonna tear this thing down today, and we're gonna go ahead and see how hard it comes apart. So, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get our tools ready to where we can quickly pull it apart. All right, phone's ringing right behind me. All right, stay tuned.